Have you ever observed an ocean swirling in a whirlpool? Imagine such a phenomena in space, but instead of water, there are billions of stars contained within. This is what a galaxy resembles, our very own Milky Way galaxy. Welcome to today's video where we shall explore the magnificent Milky Way, the vast universe and beyond. Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about that long glowing streak of light? It is no ordinary cloud. It is the Milky Way, our very own galaxy. Picture billions of stars dispersed across an immense region of space, all shimmering together to form colossal, luminous rivers of stars. Quite enchanting, isn't it? A galaxy is an enormous collection of stars, dust, gas, and other celestial objects, all bound together by gravity. Some galaxies are relatively small, while others are extraordinarily vast. The Milky Way is one of the larger galaxies containing approximately 100 billion stars. Remarkably, the Milky Way is not merely a random streak across the sky. It is our home. Every star you can observe, including our Sun, belongs to this galaxy. The Earth and the other planets orbit our Sun, which is located in one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way. Where exactly is Earth positioned within the Milky Way? Earth resides in a region of the galaxy known as the Orion Arm, a smaller branch or arm situated roughly halfway from the center of the Milky Way. Thus, we are neither too close to the center nor too far from it. It is akin to residing on a tranquil street with a bustling metropolis. In Indian culture, the Milky Way is referred to as Akash Ganga, which translates to the Ganges of the sky. This analogy is quite poetic, isn't it? Just as the river Ganges serves as a lifeline for millions of people on Earth, the Milky Way acts as a lifeline in the cosmic, connecting stars and galaxies across the vast expanse of space. If you wish to witness the Milky Way in all its splendor, Ladakh is among the best destinations in India to experience a breathtaking view. Other excellent locations include the Rann of Kutch and the deserts of Rajasthan. These regions, with their clear skies far from urban light pollution, offer unparalleled opportunities to observe the Milky Way as you have never seen it before. Now let us discuss something equally fascinating, the galaxy nearest to us. Can you guess its name? It is the Andromeda Galaxy. Interestingly, Andromeda is moving towards the Milky Way, and in approximately 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide and merge to form a super galaxy. Do not worry, though this event lies far in the future, so there is no immediate cause for concern. What lies beyond the Milky Way? The universe comprises billions of galaxies, each contributing to its immense expanse. Researchers have discovered that many of these galaxies are receding from us, moving farther away as the universe continues to expand. This phenomena is akin to inflating a balloon, where everything moves apart as the balloon grows larger. While we are on the subject of cosmic mysteries, here is a question that has intrigued scientists for years. Does life exist elsewhere in the universe? Although we have not yet found definitive evidence, researchers are actively researching for exoplanets, planets that orbit stars beyond our solar system. If an exoplanet were discovered within a habitable zone at an optimal distance from its star to supportive life, we might eventually uncover life beyond Earth. The search continues, and who knows, perhaps we shall discover extraterrestrial neighbors one day. The next time you step outdoors or gaze at the night sky, remember that Milky Way is far more than a beautiful streak of light. It is your cosmic home. Who knows, the next groundbreaking discovery may arrive sooner than we anticipate. Keep looking upward. The universe is replete with wonders waiting to be unveiled. Until then, goodbye.